This is Resurfacing UK. Today we're working on some Karndean floor in a new build. Unfortunately, the floor has been damaged by something that's been dragged across the floor by the looks of it. So we've got some straight lines here, some scratches and things. So we are going to deep clean this floor. We're going to remove the existing seal that's on this floor, and we're going to use our PU sealer to repair the wear layer of the floor. And so we'll come back to this in a bit and we should see a difference. Right, we return back to this Karndean floor. We've applied 2 coats of PU sealer, and not only is the PU sealer masked those scratches that were down here, if you remember from earlier, the PU sealer has also, it feels like it's got a non-slip kind of surface now, so definitely increases safety levels on this type of floor. So if you're going to be walking straight from outside onto a floor like this with wet shoes or whatever, you're just going to have that added slip protection. So there you have it, folks. Light scratches we can fix, and it doesn't necessarily mean the whole floor's got to come up and be replaced.